वेर्णा पिळणी पोलिसांनी 200 किलो बेकायदेशीर बीफ धरले. जानेबीर वेपारी आणि बाबूलाल बेपारी म्हणून दोगा बीफ ट्रेडरांक धरल्यात. ते रिक्षेन बीफ विकपाक व्हरतना तांकां धरले. बीफ तागडी सूर्यो आणि रिक्षा वेर्णा पोलिसांनी ताब्यात घेतल्यात. बीफ खंयच्यान हाडला वा ते विकपाचे तांचे कडेन कसलेच डॉक्युमेंट नाशिल्ले. पंचनामा करून पोलीस चौकशी करतात.
We found that these two guys, Janvir and this Babulal Bepari, they were cutting this beef. So we just went into, because they were like beef was hanging on hooks. So we just inquired. We asked them what it is, and they said beef. मैंने कहा तेरे पास लाइसेंस है? नहीं, कोई लाइसेंस नहीं है. मैंने कहा पंचायत का बेसिक लाइसेंस भी नहीं है तेरे पास? नहीं, मेरे पास कोई लाइसेंस नहीं है. तो तू कब से धंधा चला रहा है? ये 1 साल हो गया मुझे. तो मैंने कहा इसका कोई लाइसेंस नहीं है, तुझे बोला कोई ये सब करने के लिए? कहाँ से लाया माल? कहता नहीं, SDPA मार्केट से लाया. मैं कहा SDPA मार्केट तूने पूछा नहीं किधर से लाया? नहीं, वो बेलगाम से आता है. तो मैंने कहा तुम बताओ, तुम बेलगाम से लाते हो, वो भी इलीगल है. तुम बेताल बातिम नागवाड़ों के रहने वाले हो, तुम लोकली भी काटते हो. क्यों? पिछले हमने एक केस पकड़ा है, तो तुम लोकली भी काटते हो, वो भी इलीगल है. बेलगाम से लाए, वो भी इलीगल है. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी GMCL तो बंद है. तो कोई आंसर नहीं है. सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर. एविडेंसेस जो हैं बहुत क्लियर हैं. ये पूरा का पूरा ये आई थिंक मोर देन इट्स 500 kg. And I have lodged a complaint because first they are doing illegal slaughtering, second they are running illegal business in the city.
केंद्र सरकार IT स्टार्टअप्सांचे मार्केटिंग करपाक व्हर्च्युअल मार्केट उबे करतलो. ह्या स्किमीत गोंयचो आस्पाव आसतलो म्हणून केंद्रीय वाणिज्य मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू उलयला. गोंयच्या IT पॉलिसीची प्रभून तोखणाय केली. जानेरांत स्वित्झर्लंडात जावपा आशिल्ल्या दावोस परिशदेक वांटेकार जावंक मंत्री रोहनाक प्रभून आमंत्रण दिलां.
गोंयांत आयिल्ले कडेन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आनी खात्याच्या उंचेल्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी केंद्रीय वाणिज्य उद्देग मंत्री सुरेश प्रभूक गोंयच्या IT प्रोग्रेसाचेर प्रेझेंटेशन दिलें.
We'll be launching, as we had discussed, that we'll create a virtual marketplace wherein all the startup products can be very easily marketed through a virtual marketplace. This is what we are planning. So Goa will be obviously with the right candidate to get linked to it, because they are the ones who are the early movers. They came out with a policy soon, and a very nice forward-looking, very comprehensive policy. So we will implement that. I also requested the minister to visit Davos, which will be organized by my ministry in the next 3 weeks. Honorable Prime Minister of India will be visiting first time. Any Prime Minister of India has never been to Davos before. He is going there, and we'll be going with some other states are coming. Maharashtra Chief Minister is coming. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is coming. I hope Goan Minister also will be able to join us. We have requested, because again Goa will be participating for the first time. Like the Prime Minister is going for the first time, Goa will also participate for the first time.
There has been a lot of support from our Union Minister for Commerce, Shri Sureshji Prabhu, and taja khatir we made it a point to invite him, that we have reached a stage where his team we had a deliberation in Delhi, and immediately he was kind enough to prioritize Goa in his list and send a team of Invest India and Startup to Goa. Tanchakade various meetings, deliberations korun, I think we have come to a basic point where certain decisions need to be taken for the benefit of the state, and looking at how we want to go about it. Aicha Atun, we made it a thing to request him to come down to Goa, especially if decisions can be done, reviews can be done in Goa. It is like something which can take a start off for the new year 2018. January 2018 गोंयकारांक एक बरी न्यूज मेळटली. जर एक ड्राइव करपाक we had requested him, and I think I should thank him first, because being year end, a festive season, and a lot of other commitments, in spite of that he has made time for us. I would take the opportunity to thank him first.
Prudent खातीर चेतन गवस.
Give a commercial break.